Hi Year 10, just want to go through your exam a couple of questions at a time. So here's questions 1 and 2, I'll do on 3 and 4. I'm going to go through them quite quickly, so if you want more explanation of a question, just send me a message and I'll try to do a more in-depth video of it, try to explain the maths behind it a little bit more. Okay, first question, question number 1 on laws of indices, p cubed squared. And most of you remembered that if you've got brackets and indices, to get rid of them you just times the index numbers together. Okay, but if you forgot about that, you can say, well, it's p cubed squared, which is p cubed times p cubed. When we multiply with indices, we add the index numbers together, and 3 add 3 is 6. The same as if we'd done 3 times 2. Okay, division with indices. Okay, when we do division, we just subtract. So we get t to the 8 minus 3, which is t to the 5. You're confused as to why that works. Imagine t to the 8 is t times 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 t divided by t cubed, which is t times t times t. They cancel, they cancel, they cancel. You're left with 5 t's times together, which is t to the 5. Okay, 2 cubed times 2 to the n equals 2 to the 9. So when we multiply with indices, we add them together. So 3 add what number is 9? N must be 6. Okay, and d, 2x cubed is 128, so we divide by 2. X cubed is 64. Opposite of cubed is a cube root, so x is the cube root of 64, which is 4. Right. Question 2. Linear sequence, or an arithmetic sequence that goes up by the same amount every time. So 6, 10, 14, 18. So we look to see what it goes up by. It goes up by 4 every time. So it's linked to the 4 times table. The formula for the 4 times table is 4n. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, and so on. Okay, so 4n means 4 times the number in the sequence, gives us what the number is. Okay, so if I want the 20th number in the sequence, 4 times 20 would be 80. That would be the 20th number in the 4 times table. This isn't the 4 times table. Okay, it's slightly different, but it goes up in 4, so it's linked to it. The 4 times table goes 4, 8, 12, 16. We say, right, well, that's 4n, the 4 times table. How do I get from the 4 times table to these numbers? Right, to get to these numbers, we have to add 2 every time. So the nth term formula is 4n plus 2. Okay. Right, part B, slightly different. It gives us the nth term of a formula, and it says it's 3n plus 5. And then it says, is 108 in this sequence? Numerous ways you can do this, but you need to be completely clear on it. What I did is said, well, let's pretend it is. So 3n plus 5 is 108. So 3n must be 103. So n must be 103 divided by 3, which is 34 and a third. So n is not an integer. Therefore, 108 not in sequence. Okay. If you wanted to, you could say, well, n's 34 and a third, so I could work out what would happen if I put 34 in, and I'd get 107. And if I put 105 in, I'd get 110. So you could say 107 and 110 are in the sequence. So 108 isn't. But the easiest way is just say n is not an integer, so it's not in the sequence. Okay, you'll get full marks of that quite happily. Right, okay, that's questions 1 and 2. Stay safe.